Good evening, lovely people. Hope you're having a good day. Today, I want to do a video on a collection that's very near to my heart. These are Okapi knives. Known notoriously as the 3-star knife, this is the famous gangster knife. If you ever see this knife in South Africa, it's probably being used to rob you, and it will be done in that fashion. So in fact, you can see this knife is hand ground from that weird little shoulder there, and the fact that it's not symmetrical at all. If anyone can translate these words, it would be massively appreciated. I have attempted and failed. Next to it is a official Okapi knife directly from their factories. They were founded in 1902, which I personally engraved here, by a German company that was brought to South Africa and later bought over by a company referred to as Lasher. They are a big tool manufacturer and they make fine tools. So this one can't flick open because of its tight detent. So I find the best you grip the blade and you open it in that fashion against your pants. As you can see there, Okapi South Africa. As I previously talked about, this is also a right hand ground knife similar to a chisel. Only the company doesn't understand the right handed knives, so they sharpen the left side also, screwing up the geometry completely. Why these knives are so dear to my heart is because of this knife. This was gifted to me from my grandmother. It belonged to my late grandfather. This is an original German Okapi. I do not have the heart to restore this one, but in time it will happen. The inscriptions doesn't show up on the blade, but this is a true right hand ground German steel knife. And it's absolutely art. It has lived life. There's a spot of weld here on the blade, which I do not know where it's from. See if I can pick it up, but I've tried multiple times. It doesn't want to show at all. But if you ever come over to South Africa, if you can, this is a definitely recommend to get one of these guys. These are actual from the factory, proper made. This one, extremely rare to find. I haven't seen a single one in my life outside of this one. So it's a bit part of our culture here. It's a very brutal culture, but interesting nevertheless. I hope you all have a good night further. Peace be with you all.